Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia. It is actually 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm doing this voiceover. So please pardon me if your girl sounds like a man. I just woke up and I'm super sleepy. So if you haven't already, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and follow your girl on Instagram _ Cassandra Olivia. And let's get straight into the video. So today I have a natural hair client. Her hair texture is about 4B, 4C ish, and she's coming in for a silk press and a trim. This particular client comes to me about once or twice a year just to get like a press and then a trim, and then she wears her hair mostly natural for the most part. So when she came in today, she was just pretty much like, do whatever you want. So those are my favorite clients because they let me just be creative and do what I think will look best on them, and they always come out super bomb. So shout out to you, girl, for that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna play this normal speed. You guys know I normally like to speed this part up, but I feel as though I need to just switch it up a little bit as far as my content. So I'm just gonna let this play through for the blow dry just to show you guys how I blow dry in real time. And if you are not sure how to blow dry, I have tons of videos showing the process. But all I do is make sure the hair is saturated. You wanna have a spray bottle nearby just in case the hair dries out. I do put in some heat protectant. I normally use like Rusk Argan Oil or Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, and I just apply a dime size amount all throughout the hair. And now I'm just detangling each section before I actually go in the blow dry. And when you detangle, you just want to make sure that you work from the bottoms of the hair up to the roots. You never want to start at the root first, just because you do not want to cause tangles. So that's pretty much how I'm going to blow dry her hair. I'm going to work through these two sections, and then I will come back when I'm done.
That's what's up, boy.
Another thing I normally do is I put a towel on the client's shoulders, and I also put one on the side of the seat. So that way, in case they drip down, they can use it. And I always let them know that prior to blow drying. And I also let them know that again when they get in my chair. Some clients use it, some clients don't care. Being natural, I'm pretty sure most of us are used to our faces being wet anyway. But yeah, I was into this section. But as soon as I got done, I did go into the back and grab her another fresh towel just in case she wanted to use it. But I don't remember if she did or not, to be completely honest. But can we just get into the shrinkage though? Like, shrinkage is a B. So yeah, you're gonna just see me here. I'm just grabbing her another towel, then I'm gonna come back. As I was editing this, I realized that my flat iron footage is completely gone. I'm not sure exactly what happened there, so it's gonna go from the blow dry to being bone straight. I did press her hair out with my new flat irons in between, but for some reason I think my camera cut off or my phone died or somebody tried to call me while I was recording and I didn't realize it. So yeah, I only have the blow dry, and then I'm going to show you guys how I trim her hair and how I style it. The camera kept cutting off this particular day. No, it's not my camera. My phone kept cutting off this particular day. I'm not quite sure why. I think it's because I just got a lot of phone calls and I was just in the zone. And yeah, so I apologize in advance for that. But I do have several more silk press videos on my channel and several more videos coming for those of you who want a more in-depth tutorial. So I'm going to finish this section and we will come back when I'm done for real, guys. Side note, I'm literally still laying in my bed, like face on the pillow and everything, but I have to get this done. That's dedication for you, because it's my day off. But I love you guys, and I wanted to bring you guys some more content. So yeah, just using my hands. I am using the paddle brush, my fingers, and I like to use a wide tooth comb just to separate each section. And you just want to make sure when you separate the sections, you break that section into smaller pieces, and you just make sure you detangle everything thoroughly. That will make the blow dry a lot easier. And you just want to make sure when you are blow drying, you do not rush.
That's what's up, boy. Guess what, smoke boy?
Okay, so now she's all done being blow dried. So what I like to do is put my clients in the mirror, just because I'm terrible at parting hair and I want them to see, you know, kind of how it's coming along and where they want their part and all that good jazz. So I'm just putting her part in. I did put a little bit of S3 spray in her hair just to give it a little bit of shine. And I'm just going over a couple pieces of her roots that were sticking up a little bit just to give it a sleek finish. So now I'm just gonna, like I said, put this S3 spray on here just to give it a little bit of shine, not too much. I'm going to comb that through, and then I'm going to spin her around so that way you guys can see how I'm going to cut her hair or trim her ends. But you guys know I like to go with the natural shape of the hair. So this is what we have going on here. Not terrible for her not to have been here in a long time, but we're just going to go in and clean this up and just follow her natural hair shape. I am going to do the 0 degree first, like the, you know, the bottom level haircut, just to get the general shape. And then I'm going to pull the hair out at a 90-degree angle. But I don't know, for some reason I was just struggling this day with recording. Like, I'm all out of the frame when I'm cutting the hair, footage is lost, like shit was just happening. So bear with me, guys. But I'm just gonna show you guys how I trim this and how I style at the end. Nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna do like a light little bump with the flat iron, and that's pretty much it. I'll pop back on here in a second if I can think of anything else, but this is pretty much it for this tutorial. And comment down below if you have any questions, if you like these type of videos. I probably won't be doing any more early morning edits because I know I'm going to sound like a grizzly bear on this, and it's just nothing I can do about it. Like, your girl just woke up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Like I said, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh, and side note, if you see like the under part of her hair, she's actually growing out an undercut. So I didn't press that part because it's super short and flush to her head, but normally I would go in with like a mini flat iron if it was a little bit longer. But like I said, she's going out an undercut, so we're not even going to mess around with that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Everybody have a wonderful Sunday. Is today Sunday? Yeah, everybody have a wonderful Sunday, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Guess what, smoke boy? Guess what, smoke boy?